Hello everyone, good morning. Today we'll be just resuming our online classes once again and we'll be starting with the topic we have ended it, that is land breeze and sea breeze. Okay, so before proceeding for the topic, let me clear you about the definition of breeze. You already know breeze, I know, but before just proceeding it for the phenomena, let me discuss you with a brief description or with a short definition of it. Okay, so what is breeze? Gently moving air, or we can say light air or the pleasant air, can be defined as breeze. Breeze result in two phenomena. One is land breeze and the other one is sea breeze, and the main origin or the main source for these phenomena is sun or the sun's solar energy. Okay, so we have a figure of sun and we know that sun produces a solar energy, but this solar energy is not uniformly distributed on the surface of the earth. We know that the atmosphere of the earth comprises of land and sea, that is land, soil and sand, and sea, okay, that covered up the water bodies. We know that since sun is not, solar energy is not uniformly distributed, and the other material like land or sea are also having different heat capacity, therefore they take different times to just get heat up. We know that sea or the water specific heat capacity is high, therefore it takes time to just get heat up, or that we can say that it just gets heat up at a very low speed, that is lands get heat up faster than that of sea. When land get heat up, that means the air just above the land also gets heat up, whereas when the sea is cool, it is not heated up to that much extent, therefore the air above the sea is cool air. So we have the air above the land is warm air and the air above the sea is cool air. And now we can relate the warm air and the cool air with the concept of density. We know that the substance which is denser, that means it is having a more mass, and the substance which is heavy always comes down, and the substance which is less denser, that means which is less heavier or which is having less mass, always rises up. Therefore, since it is warm air and we know that the mass of the warm air is always less than that of the cool air, so when we are talking about the warm air, that is we are talking about the less denser air particle. When it is less denser, that means it will rises up, it will rise up, and this part or the air above the sea is whole covered with the cool air, and we know that cool air is much heavier or it is more denser, therefore it will sinks down. Therefore there will be a continuous supply of warm air to the upward portion and the cool air to the downward portion. This movement of this upward and downward movement of this air will set up a process or a phenomena which is known as convection, okay, which is known as. Now, since we have that warm air rises up and the cool air sinks down, therefore there was the setup of the phenomena which is known as convection. Now, since warm air is rising up, therefore there is a vacancy. यहाँ पे एक खाली जगह होगी क्योंकि सारी गर्म हवा ऊपर जा रही है. And since the cool air is coming down, therefore this will create a low pressure area. Since there is a vacancy, there is no air and the air which is available is less denser, वो कम भारी है, therefore ये जो pressure भी यहाँ होगा land के ऊपर, this will be low pressure area, whereas the pressure just above the sea, because here is a cool air which is heavier, therefore the pressure above the sea will be high pressure. Therefore we can say this is high pressure area and the pressure above the land is low pressure area. Now the air rises up and the cool air comes down, therefore this is high pressure area, and this coming air will force the air which is present over the just above the sea towards the land, because यहाँ पे तो हवा बहुत ज़्यादा हल्की है, यहाँ पे pressure ज़्यादा है, so this high pressure will force the air towards the land, okay, and this passage or this movement of air from sea to land, from sea to land is known as sea breeze. So we can understand from the concept of the name itself, sea breeze. Sea breeze. नाम कैसा है? The source from where the air is coming. Since the air is coming from sea towards land, therefore it is sea breeze. On the other hand, the other phenomena which we are going to discuss is land breeze. That means in that case the air is coming from land to sea. The air which is coming, if the air is coming from sea to land, coming from sea, therefore jahan se aa rahi hai hawa, that will be the name given to the breeze. Since the air is coming from sea, therefore it is sea breeze, and since in the other portion the air will come from land, therefore that will be land breeze. And this sea breeze always occurs during the day time. Now the other topic which we are going to discuss is land breeze, and we know that sea breeze was occurring during the daytime, therefore I had just made the figure of sun. And land breeze mainly takes place, or it takes place, it occurs during the night time, therefore I have made the figure of moon. From the moon it is clear that we are talking about the land breeze which is occurring during the night time. Okay, so now we are discussing about the moon, that is we are discussing about the land breeze. And already I have just made you the concept why it is land breeze. Since the breeze or the air is coming from land towards sea, therefore it is land breeze. I've already told you that during the daytime land gets heated up much faster than the sea, because sea has high heat capacity. So the time taken by sea now to cool up will be more than the time taken by the land. Land जल्दी गर्म हो जा रहा था और वो जल्दी ठंडा भी हो जाएगा. Now since sea was taking much time to just get heat up, therefore it will cool at a very slow rate. Therefore during the night time land becomes cool part and the sea becomes warm part. Now since I have discussed that the land is now a cooler part and the sea is a warmer part, therefore the air which we are discussing about which is above the land is considered as cold air or a cool air, and the air just above the sea is warm air. Now again relating it with the concept of density, warm air is less denser, कम भारी है, therefore it will rise up, and the cool air, and the air available here was cool air, that is just above the land is cool air, therefore it is much heavier and it will come down. Again there will be a continuous upward and downward movement of the air, and then again it will set up a phenomena of convection as we have discussed in sea breeze. Now since the air is coming down over the land and which is very cool, and cool air is always very heavy, therefore the pressure just above the land is high pressure area, and since sea is warmer during the night time, the air just above the sea is warm air is less denser, therefore it has created a low pressure area. Now since it is a high pressure area, and this high pressure will force the cool air to flow towards the sea, therefore the movement of the breeze is from land to sea, therefore this movement results in the process or the phenomena which is known as land breeze. Hope it is clear to you all. That is the concept of sea breeze and land breeze. Whatever the doubts you are having, again with the explanation, please mention in the comment. Thank you.